Hello, guys and gals, and this is part two. Well, I know it doesn't say part two, but I couldn't find my numbers, so I just decided to use this CD case. Anyways, part two of World of Warcraft tribute. It is basically fan art of the World of Warcraft franchise, and in the end, it does say all rights reserved, so there should be no copyright issue at all. Plus, I am linking every single description in the every single link mentioned in the book in the description. We left off on page 42, and we are going to continue from there. But yeah, this is going to be a fun series. A little bit more work for me, but I don't care. It's totally worth. Okay, wait, we're on. Wait. There's over 80 pages. Okay, here we are. This is where we were. Now, I believe, yeah, that's what I thought. We are at Li Hao, and he's going to get basically another mention in the description because we are starting off with his art, or her. Li Hao, I'm not sure. I'll say they. Anyway, this is beautiful, by the way. That is definitely a Wargen, and I'm not sure that might actually be a Death Knight. I don't know. It's beautiful. Anyways, it says here that Li Hao is from China and is an architect and illustrator, and they are getting their link put in the description. Now, we have Zecarlos from Brazil, and they are an illustrator, and again, this is beautiful. We have a bunch of orcs here. Notable orcs, by the way, because right there is I believe that is like the hammer that it'll come to me. Don't worry. I will finish that thought in a little bit. Sorry about that. We have got a long ways to go here, and that, by the way, that link will be in the description. Okay, now here we have Rudy, Kristianto, Masoen from Indonesia. Again, I'm sorry, I'm not very good with names. They are a graphic designer, and there's a link here that will be in the description. Now we have Ellietangs. I'm pretty sure I pronounced that one right. Ellietangs. They're from China, and they are an interactive designer. And they have no description. I mean, no link, so that there won't be a link in the description for this picture. Now this, oh wow, this is panoramic. This right here is a panoramic image. That's beautiful. Anyways, this is by Stan Chan, who is an illustrator from the United States, and their link right there is going to be in the description. And we'll go through and write down all these links. It's going to take a while, but it's totally worth it. Now, this is totally cute. Okay, this is by Lucy Fidelis from Brazil, and they're an illustrator. That's awesome. I really like the kind of chibi-looking style. Beautiful. And their link will be in the description. Now, right here we have Renell Escarlan from the Philippines, and they are an illustrator. Their link will be in the description below. These pages are kind of thick, so I want to make sure that I don't miss anything. Oh wow, that's beautiful. I was looking at the dragons there, and I'm like, oh, hey, there's a chick. Okay. Anyways, sorry about that. Anyways, this is by Tang Yi Wei. I believe that is pronounced Wei. W-E-I is pronounced Wei, but I'm not sure. From Shanghai, China. And they are an artist and a news reporter. That would be kind of cool to be both, you know? Because then you could like illustrate your own news stories, you know? But yeah, beautiful. That link right there is going to be in the description. Okay, and here we have a picture by Daniel Ibrahim bin Kamarudin from Brunei. They are an illustrator for the Durian. The Durian. And their link is going to be in the description as well. Hopefully these artists get some recognition because of this, because they deserve it. This art is amazing. Here's another picture by Daniel Ibrahim bin Kamarudin from Brunei. And again, this link will be in the description, but only once, even though there were 2 pictures. Now, here's someone from New York. New York of the United States. Comic artist and illustrator. Skull Kicker Super Street Fighter. Let's see. This is by Edwin Wong. Edwin Wong. I'm pretty sure that's pronounced Wong, but I'm not sure. And their link will be in the description as well. See, I'm used to using templates, so this is going to be like a learning curve for me. Okay, again, Thrall. That's what I was thinking of, Thrall. Thrall has the magic hammer. I forget what the hammer's called, but anyways, I think it's a hammer. Yeah. Okay, now we have Sanggene Lee. Sanggene Lee from California of the United States. Concept artist and digital illustrator. Now, this link is going to be in the description below. And here's more by Sanggene Lee. She's really good about the dynamic poses, and I like that. I think it's we'll say they. Just be on the safe side, we'll say they. They have a real flair for the action poses, the action pictures there. I like that. Looks like they have a panda in there with the I think that those are warrior tier armor. And then we have Thrall there. Wow. Okay. Here we go. Oh, those are cute. Okay. We have here Jianzhou. We'll say Jianzhou, and I'm probably mispronouncing it. Again, I'm sorry. Jianzhou. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, that is taken from StarCraft. But I think that's probably the pet that you can get. There is a pet that is a pet. I think these all might be. Anyways, this is by Jianzhou from China, and they're an illustrator. And the link here, the link will be in the description. Now, this one. Wow, this is just breathtaking right here. This is by Alan Michael in Geneta. Or maybe it's Geneta. Geneta. Alan Michael in Geneta from Rizal in the Philippines. And they're an illustrator. And their link is going to go in the description, so you can check out more of their art. That's beautiful, though. That's awesome. Okay. And there's another one by Alan Michael in Geneta. Their link will already be in the description, and everybody only gets mentioned once, even if they have 2 pictures in the book. Now, we have here a picture by Kevin Raganit from New Jersey, USA. They are a freelance cartoonist and an illustrator, and I really like the cartoony style they use because it isn't overly cartoony and it still fits perfectly. It's beautiful. Their link will be in the description below. I have got to learn to talk. Loosen my tongue a little bit. Oh, that's cute. First of all, though, we have this. Oh, wow. Okay, that's another dynamic pose right there. And this is by Xiaoran? I think it's pronounced Xiaoran. But they go by the name Jeremysun. From China. They are a game producer and Crown of the Drick. Dravens. I see. Okay, wait, this picture is beautiful. That link down there, that's going to be in the description. Anyways, here we have Christina Wolfe. They are an illustrator from Georgia, Georgia, United States. Why am I thinking Illinois? But I got really caught off guard by how cute this is. And their link is going to be in the description as well. Let's keep going. Let's see. Well, let me check. 60, 62. Okay, this is just making sure that we're doing this perfect. Okay, now we have Frank Simmons from Maryland of the United States. And they are an illustrator, and here they're what's her name? Please hold just a sec. And back. I had to look it up. The ice dragon in ICC Ice Crown Citadel is Sendragosa. I just had forgotten that, and they gave me the link to the green dragon that was held hostage there, and I'm thinking that isn't an ice dragon, that is one of the green dragons, which has nothing to do with ice, so whatever. Anyways, it's all good though. Anyways, this is by Frank Simmons, as we said, and that is a wonderful picture. I just wanted to make sure that I knew the name of that dragon back there. Now, this is gorgeous right here. This is by an illustrator named Huimei, maybe? Huimei, Huimei. And this is beautiful. I mean, you can really see the gritty details. I love it. The link down here will be in the description below. I'm going to just check real quick. 60, 62, 64. Okay. Just wanted to check and make sure I'm not missing anything. And here's another one by Huimei, maybe Huimei. Huimei. Again, I'm sorry if I butcher the name. It isn't intentional. I'm terrible when it comes to foreign names. I'm probably the worst. But the description is already going to be in the description. Now, we have here Zhang Yanmo is the artist, and they are a concept artist and illustrator, and they are from Beijing, China. And they have a nice rendition here of Varian Ren. And the other person, he did a really nice rendition of Garrosh. 65. 66, here we go. Now we have, oh, wow, someone got beheaded. But, okay, that's beautiful art, by the way. Awesome. This is by Pamagoitus Vlanis from Greece. He is a concept artist, or they are a concept artist and an illustrator. And their link will be in the description below. I don't want to make these too long, otherwise it's going to take me forever to upload them, because I'll be, putting all the links in the description, which is totally worth it. Anyways, now we have Douglas Manzini from Sao Paulo, Brazil. They are an illustrator and a concept artist. Amazing, by the way. Okay, let's see. 66, 67, 68, 69. Okay. Again, I'm just checking to make sure I don't miss a page, because it's really easy to do. I like the medium that they use here, the greens and the yellows. I like it. Oh, that's another one by Doug Manzini from Sao Paulo, Brazil. His link will be in the description below. Now we have Kong Wong. Kong Wong from China, who is an illustrator. And, again, that's beautiful. Let me get a close-up here of Arthas, the Lich King. Beautiful. I think that's inside Ice Crown Sigil, actually. The chains probably give it away. Anyways, 70. Oh, cool. This is we'll get to this one in a little bit, but I really like that one. That one caught my eye. But this one is amazing too. This is by Chang Zhang. Chang Zhang. What is there in relation to Kong Wong? You know, there's Kong Wong and Chang Zhang. Okay. Anyways, they're from Beijing, China, and they're a concept artist and Cloud ACC. But okay. Anyways, oh wait, they have a link. It'll be in the description below, as usual. Okay, so now we have sorry. I like this. This is basically someone could basically make a comic book just with these sprites, the concepts of these characters. This is by Alvaro, Andres, Amaya, Iles, otherwise known as Avalon, and they are from Colombia. They are a graphic designer and an illustrator, and their link down here will be in the description below. And there's a spider going crazy on my bed. I'm going to have to do something about that. Oh, and that staff here. That staff there. I know that staff. I have it. Or I did when I played. I don't remember what it's called, but I always thought that was the coolest looking staff. You see, it's also got a little hoof on the bottom of it. That's cute. Okay, anyways, that was, and that link will appear in the description below. I'm going to tend that spider here in a little bit, but I think I've got time to read some more of these. Anyways, this is by Kustin Bechtold from California of the United States. They're an illustrator at Laguna. They're also Laguna College of Art and Design. Maybe that's their credentials. Anyways, that's a Mogu, I believe. Maybe even Cao Hao or the big guy, the big Mogu guy. Then enslaved Pandaria for like 1,000 years. And that link will be in the description below. Now, we have Ngu Ngok Chin from Malaysia, and they're an illustrator. Ngu Ngok Chin from Malaysia. And that link will be in the description below. And yeah, beautiful. I mean, you can even really see there in the background. Oh, these are Warjin. I thought that architecture looked familiar. Beautiful. I've always loved the Warjin. Okay. Please hold.